What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Huge shout out to Redtiger for sponsoring today's video and sending us over the View Clear 70 or VC70 Smart Dashcam. This baby is one of the best in the market, and we're going to unbox it, show you some footage today and how it looks in your vehicle once all set up. This is a 4K dashcam that has some awesome options, even as far as going to having parking support, so it will record while you're even parked. Comes with a whole separate wiring kit if you want to purchase that as well. So yeah, let's go ahead, talk about the specs, and jump right into it. As you saw in the intro, here is the packaging for the Redtiger VC70, 4K plus dual HDR, Starvis 2, full color vision, and you can see you have that 3-inch touchscreen on the back. It does have voice controls, even Wi-Fi 6 if you needed that with the higher frequency network. And once you have that off and you open up the box, you are greeted right away with a little detailed breakdown and then a very well organized retail package. And then take a look at the largest box first. You can see you have the user manual and the electrostatic sticker. Here is the star of the show that we will get back to. It is 2.5K, so not quite 4K. Your cable clips and an adhesive. This is a long cable and will allow you to run this from the main dash cam to the back of your vehicle to have that. And it is nice, we'll talk about it here in a second, but this rear camera does pivot for easy adjustments. Power supply cable with car charger and a tool to help you get going. You have a little Allen key and then those other tools, like we said, to help hide the cables as needed. Here is that cigarette lighter, USB-C charger. And then, as we were talking about, the adhesive and those clips. There's the long, lengthy USB-C to USB-C cable to the rear camera, like we were saying. And then the actual camera itself. Again, look how just well this is packaged. And one thing I do want to point out about this is that this is fully rotatable, 360 degrees, as we said. So depending on how and where you want to mount it, you will be good to go. And there's where that one end of the USB Type-C cable will go. And then the star of the show, here it is right here, the VC70. Again, have a nice little cover protecting the lenses. And not only does this adjust if needed with the Allen key, but one of the best features is that you can actually reposition the lens to get the best angle as needed while it's on the dash, so you don't have to be hassled with moving it all around all the time. And speaking of moving around all the time, one extra benefit is that this slides right off to come and remove your dash cam as needed, and it clicks right back into place. And then you have an included memory card. I do just want to mention that. Let me actually pop this out. I believe it's 128 gigs. It is. That is an awesome addition. Huge shout out to Redtiger for including a memory card. It's not something you see too often anymore. So let's go ahead, pop this in the vehicle, and we'll be right back. So as you can see right here, first time powering it on, nice large touchscreen that we will be able to use to get everything ready. And you can see it's prepping the SD card now, and there we go. We're live. It is showing this is the front view. And again, it is all touchscreen, so you can select everything and look at the list of options you have right here. If you did want to customize everything or read more into it or tweak anything specific. Camera resolution, everything is right here. Sound recording on and off. There are so many options here. It is really nice to see. G-sensor, fatigue reminder, Wi-Fi, volume, click tone, startup. Yeah. A ton of that. We're not going to dive into all the settings now. We're just going to say, okay, sound recording we'll leave on, go back out of this, and we're good to go. So let's go ahead and check out some footage. Another differentiating feature here is the night vision and its capabilities thanks to that high resolution sensor. As you can see here, everything looks great even in low light. So one of the awesome additional differentiating features of this dash cam is its voice commands. So you can say, turn on screen, take a picture, turn off screen. You can see just how quick and responsive it is to those commands. Those are just a few. There's a number of other ones, and you can find those right in the voice control command list, right in settings. And you can see there are a number of them to get you going to turn on recording, turn off recording, turn on screen, turn off screen, turn on audio, lock video, take pictures, turn on and off Wi-Fi, and show front and rear camera right there. So as you can see, and I know it's a difficult shot here, when it's recording and you have both the front and rear cameras set up, you get a split view right on the screen showing you a little cutout of the top. And I know, like I said, I apologize, it's hard to see, but on the right side is the rear camera, and on the left, it is all of the dash cam and what you see from that. Another awesome feature is their app where you can view your live dash cam in real time, check your sound profiles, start recordings, take a snapshot, and edit any settings you need. It is a very thoroughly built app that will give you everything right at your fingertips. You can see your settings, change video resolution, speaker volume, even if you want sounds on and off. This is a great addition for your iPhone or Android device to view your videos, urgent notifications, and all of that. Also, if needed, you can zoom in thanks to the great resolution on this camera and get very clear zoomed in shots day or night. Thanks to this, it is definitely one of the top picks for night driving in 2025. All right, so how does that video quality look to you guys? One thing we didn't talk about was the additional hardware kit that you can get for the parking assist mode, which basically will let you record in an unattended car. You do obviously need to hardwire it in so it consistently has power. It won't take too long to do, but that will be for another day. Now, the price point on this, the feature-rich set, it is awesome. It is probably one of the best dash cams of 2025. Leave a comment down below what you think about this camera. And if you go to purchase it, please use those affiliate links. We greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.